So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which is 61,309. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, but there are other menus available. So you've got assist systems, your audio, telephone, as you can see, vehicle status, and then back around to driving data. The buttons I was using for that are just over here on the right-hand side. We've got stereo controls there as well, which continue on the left, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button in the middle. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the center, we then have the touchscreen for the car. So we're on the radio menu at the moment. You can see this car has got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. We have a number of ways to do that as well. And they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. That is, of course, once you've paired up your phone, which is done under that heading just there. We have the main volume for the stereo here. Working our way down, we then have air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, off, back on again. We've got a rear heated screen. We can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. Underneath that, we can open this section up. We have our USB and auxiliary inputs. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox. We can turn the parking sensors off from here. We can turn the stop and start off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system's now off. And that button changes the driving setup of the car. So you can put the car into eco, normal, sport, or individual. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.